Hi, Sarah Banas here, Spectrum Weavers. I have something exciting for you today. So this right here is a mystery box, or the contents of a mystery box from MiVinylworld. They're fantastic. Check them out. They have the best customer service, absolutely fantastic selection. You got to check out their Glitterflex, the line they carry, Glitterflex. Absolutely fantastic, sparkly. It's so pretty. But there's all kinds of them. There's one called Wild Prince that they have that I absolutely love. It's a basketball. Well, they have a couple, but one of them is a basketball pattern, but it's got like the texture of basketball. It's amazing. So check them out at MiVinylworld.com. I'll link in the description of the video. Link where you can get $10 off of 30. And this is a monthly a mystery box they do. They've given me permission to do an unboxing. So this one's a little bit late. We're just starting this. But next month, at the beginning of every month, I'll be unboxing one of their mystery boxes so that you know what's in it before you order. But let's get going. So unfortunately, it came in a super cute, like it was all packaged really nicely. But my mailman threw it in the snow. So by the time I got it, I had to get it out of the package so it didn't get wet. So it comes really nicely packaged, but let's go. Let's see what's in here. Eek, so excited. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's super pretty. So, the mystery boxes that they sell, there's a couple. There is an HTV one, an iron-on one, and there is a self-adhesive one, and then there's a mixed pack. So this is the adhesive pack, and it comes with a thing. This is everything that's included. And oh, this top one is so pretty. So this is obviously the February box, so it's going to have a lot of pinks and reds. And oh, but check this out. This is so pretty. So this first one is like almost like a metallic pink red. It's hard to see the flash, unfortunately, changes the color of it, but it's like a super pretty pink red. And then there's a matte red. That's pretty too. Oh, a matte pink. That's pretty. Oh, that's nice. It comes with a sheet of Caesar transfer tape. And actually, I have never used the Caesar transfer tape, so I'll be interested to see how this works. And I will let you guys know. Oh, check this out. That's pretty. Do you see that? That is going to look so neat when it's cut. It's hard to tell, but that's going to look super... Ooh, look at this one. Okay. Oh, this is awesome. So check this out. Check this out. So, super sparkly. I want to see if I can show you how pretty it is and how sparkly. But let me show you something really neat about this one. So do you see how... So that's glitter. But do you see how there's no... It's totally flat. There's no texture to it. So the cool thing about this is because of that, you'll be able to use this as a base layer, which is a really neat thing for getting different finishes on it. Like imagine a pink heart and then with a black matte cutout over it, and you would just see the glitter like a peekaboo. You can do that with this type material because it's flat. So see how shiny it is? There's no... This is complete. It's almost like it's set in almost like a gel. I mean, it's not a gel, but there's no texture at all. So that is going to be a really fun one to work with. That's pretty. It's almost like this one was almost like it's hard to tell again because of the flash, but it's almost like a dark, almost like a copper. Super pretty. Oh, that pink is pretty too. Oh, I'm so excited about that pink glitter, though. That's going to be awesome. Oh, that's a nice color of red. Ooh, look at this. So, oh, look at that one underneath it. Oh, that's nice. So this is actually like a, I wish that flash, I wish I could get around that. I'm going to have to come up with a better setup so you can see it better. But this has like almost like glitter flex in it. So it's almost like a metal. That's super pretty. Ooh, this one is gonna be nice. When you cut this and you do like text on it or something like that, and then you'll see that with this type it's almost like an oil slick. So you'll see the colors, like, I'll do a project with it and I'll show you guys, but it's really neat. You'll see the colors like slide along it because of the way the pattern is on it. So that one's super pretty. Ooh, look at this. It's gingham. Ooh, I like that. Yeah, that's pretty. And that's a self-adhesive. That's really nice. I like that. There's so much stuff in here. I can't believe how much is in here. These boxes are not expensive. The mystery box is super reasonable. Oh my goodness. Wait till you see the one that's underneath this. Okay, so that's cute, right? That's super cute. But look at this. Eek. Check that out. Oh, I love it. Do you see that? How cute is that? And this is... So I don't work with printed self-adhesive often, but this is different than anything I've ever seen before. This is like a really... The quality is amazing. It's like, it's not matte. This is... See how that's gloss? I don't know that I've ever seen a printed gloss like this before. That's really nice. So, oh yeah, it's nice and thick too. That's going to transfer really, really well. That's so pretty. Oh, how exciting. I love this. I'm so excited to test these out moving forward and open these for you guys. I would say my favorite one out of all of them is one of two. Either this glitter. That glitter is so pretty. I wish you could see how sparkly it is. Let me see if I can get it. I gotta come up with a better setup. I gotta show you guys how beautiful these are. But do you see that? That's gonna be so pretty. And this one. I love that one. Okay, how exciting. So, like I said, I will link in the description a code for 10 off of 30. Check out the mystery boxes. I mean, check out the whole site. The whole site is amazing, and their prices are fantastic. I mean, you guys know that I am a vinyl collector. I like all things pretty. So, but their prices are fantastic, and their selection is really good. They have a lot of stuff that you can't get elsewhere. So check it out. I'll put the link in the comments. I will also link my Facebook group. I have a couple of super big ones for Cricut and Silhouette users. I'll link Cricut and Silhouette for beginners. Everybody's super friendly, super helpful, super nice. So come join us. We'd love to have you. Always, you know, I link all kinds of free fonts and designs and different project ideas. But, you know, so you'll be able to see over the next week or so, I'll make all kinds of neat stuff with this. These are going to be so much fun to work with. So, come check us out. Join us on Facebook. And have a good day. Bye.